Magandang hapon mga kadistri! Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Luto ni RP sa FB. Siyempre kasama yung mga ating mga gwapo at magandang bagong co-host. Pakilala natin sila! Yan. Si Yannick Tuason and si Michelle Arceo.
Magandang hapon.
Yan. Si Yannick, ano siya, professional ba?
Yeah,
Professional football player ng Ascals. At syempre, si Michelle ay
Miss World Candidate number 10.
na, handa po kayo? Kadistri natin! Palakpakan naman dyan! Yan. So mga kadistri ha, kailangan supportahan natin si Michelle kasi mga around, kailan pa to? In a few months na, no? In a few
Siyempre
months.
July.
By July. Yan, mga kadistri ha, abangan natin si Michelle. Kailangan supportahan natin ang sarili atin. Yan. Okay. Delayed yun ha. Medyo delayed yun. Medyo delayed yung clock ha. Okay. So, meron tayong special treat ngayon. Ako yung pumili ng ating menu. Ang ating menu ay beef carnitas.
Sarap.
Ayan. Palakpakan dyan. Ayan.
Excited.
At alam nyo mga kadistri, yung the best part, sila Michelle yung magluluto para sa inyo. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, ba't may mga babatingin lang po ako? Mabilis lang po ito. Kasi, Yannick and Michelle, yung mga pinuntahan natin these 2 weeks, hindi ko nabati eh. So, batiin natin yung mga lugar na napuntahan natin.
Shoutout naman tayo.
Oo, shoutout naman tayo. Siyempre, kailangan batiin natin yung RP Angels. Yung RP Angels, nakakatawa yan eh. Sila mismo yung nagbuo ng grupo na they always watch yung show natin. Yung
Okay.
Luto ni RP. Yan.
Salamat sa pagsuporta.
Yeah. And meron tayo yung RP team. Ito naman, yung RP team, kwento ko lang sa inyo. Ito yung mga nag-deliver ng mga prices natin. Tapos yung sa feeding, di ba? Nakita nyo yung feeding. Sila rin yung nagluluto, sila rin yung nagpe-prepare. So very busy tong RP team. Hindi mangyayari yung mga serbisyo na binababa natin kung wala itong RP team. And ang pinaka-importante na kapartner ng luto ni RP, sino ba yung pinaka-importante na kapartner ng luto ni RP?
Feeding Metro Manila.
Yun! Thank you po, Feeding Metro Manila sa pagsuporta sa luto ni RP and more power. And batiin naman natin yung palahap kasi ito, parang mga mainstay natin na nagdo-donate sa atin ng mga goods. Si Pietraco Foods. Si Pietraco Foods, yung mga ingredients ng ating champurado.
Sino yung tumutulong?
Yes!
Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo.
Then, siyempre, para dun sa ating Franks and Beans, si Franks Pork and Beans!
Salamat.
And siyempre, dati ito yung pinakasikat eh. Ngayon parang si Banana Bread na yung pinakasikat. Yung ating crab and corn, ang nagbibigay ay si Sam's Golden Sweet Cream Style Corn. And yung niluto natin kahapon, yung 3 cheese. Ang nag-donate si Clara Olay and Campbell's. Tapos, Michelle, Yannick, pumunta tayo yesterday sa Matandang Balara. So, mag-thank you tayo kay Cap Alan Francia and siyempre sa council, kay Alvin, kay Mayok, sa mga purok leaders, at siyempre yung mga BPOs, BPSO, and siyempre bumubuo ng barangay. Ang tinila natin doon kahapon, 3 cheese pasta.
Sarap ba? Tama?
Sabi nila.
Okay. Kailangan namin ng testing.
Oo, kailangan. What? Pag meron kayo gusto itanong ha, kay Yannick o kaya kay Michelle, i-message nyo lang. Message nyo lang sa atin.
Check namin sa
Live.
comments.
Check mo nga. Ayun!
There we go. Maseda family, pa-shoutout daw. Maseda family, kamusta kayo?
Sige.
Okay, what do we...
Si,
Carmi Jean.
sabi ni Carmi Jean, sana daw manalo. Sana nga! Fingers crossed! Si Gab de la Paz, ano sabi niya? Yan.
Gandang hapon daw, watching from work while break time. Kamusta po?
Wow!
Gab de la Paz, kamusta?
Thank you to all of the viewers tuning in today.
Ito.
Ay, si Ding Napoles, mainstay natin yan, Yani.
Aparato ba nandito?
Yes, yes.
Kamusta ding? Ito, Pascual family from Barangay VMC. Pa-shoutout. Kamusta naman? Sino pa? Amen, ah.
Sino?
Rojales. Artista na po kayo, Robert.
Artista na. Ha?
Pa-shout out.
Go, try. Which one? Pa-shoutout kami dito sa Barangay Maligrosa, Poblete Extension.
Shout out.
Florenda,
Shout out to Sherlock Nava. Watching for these
East kami yan.
comments. Hello po. Hello po.
kita na, no? There's a lot of people supporting. Oh, nice. Okay.
May I request a picture of the three of you po?
Subo lang na.
Yeah, saan po?
Yan.
Okay.
Tapos, banggitin muna natin habang inaantay natin yung questions.
Okay.
Banggitin muna natin yung ating ingredients for the day. Yan. Para sa ating...
Ano ba yung lulutuin natin? Ano ba yung lulutuin natin yan?
Beef carnitas. Ano ba yung kakailanganin natin sa beef carnitas? Siyempre, kakailanganin natin ng 2 teaspoon na 1 piece onion. 1 piece onion. And 3 teaspoon salt. 3 teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon chili powder. Ito. Yan. And cumin, 1/2 teaspoon cumin.
Okay.
Parang brown, yan. And 1 teaspoon pepper flakes. Pepper flakes. And 5 cloves garlic. Half teaspoon dried oregano. And 1 kilo beef brisket.
Sarap, ang sarap.
1 kilo beef brisket. Yan yung ating ingredients para sa ating beef carnitas. Pero bago natin simulan yung Yannick, kwento naman, interviewin naman natin si Michelle.
Okay, sige,
Para
sige,
mas
sige.
lalo sila
Para makilala nila.
makilala ng ating mga ka-district. Yan. So, obvious question, ano ba yung nire-represent mo na
Quezon City.
yun? Quezon City. Titik ko lang mga ka-district ha. Si Michelle, talagang ka-district natin sa District 3. Kaya
Yung
dapat,
secret talaga.
yes. Kaya dapat supportahan natin. Okay. Michelle, ano ba yung mga, kasi siyempre, nakaka-intriga, di ba, pag beauty queen, di ba? So, ano ba yung mga routine ng isang beauty queen?
Well, first off, the routine to being a beauty queen is not as simple as everyone thinks. Syempre, you have to work out, stay like healthy, fitness-wise, and keeping the diet really clean. Also, Q&A training, your passerella training. There's so much that goes into it. It's really not that easy.
Yeah.
Like I go to training, my passerella is about 3 times a week, Q&A twice a week, and then I have all the activities when it comes to the actual pageant.
She is like a sport, huh?
It is a sport.
Yeah, definitely. It's harder than you think.
So mga ka-district, lahat ng sinabi niya, hindi ko ginagawa. Wala akong exercise, wala akong...
Diet.
Okay lang yan.
Ganun pala, hirap pala. Trabaho pala talaga yun. Grabe. Okay. Ngayon, ano yung mga... Kasi sabi mo, malapit na yung pageant.
Opo.
Ano yung mga preparations na you have to undergo? Yung mga kailangan mong gawin?
Yeah, the important stuff.
Yeah.
You have to really mentally prepare yourself for coronation night. So mostly Q&A training is most important. As well as doing like my advocacies and charities along the way and really helping the community during this time. And there's too much actually. But trying to fit everything in such a small time frame, there's a lot of preparation.
That is true, no? And that's like, it's so close already.
Super.
So grabe, no? Sobrang trabaho pala talaga yung maging trying to represent your city and your... Grabe, no?
There's a lot of hard work into it.
Sige, okay. So yun yung preparation. Pero siyempre, dahil mga ka-district, siyempre susuportahan natin si Michelle, di ba? So mananalo siya. Delete na lang. Sumweldo ba? Okay. Dahil susuportahan natin si Michelle, siyempre mananalo siya. Di ba mga ka-district? Heart naman dyan kung mananalo si Michelle. Okay. After mo manalo, Michelle, ito yung question. What do you plan to do? Ano yung mga balak mong gawin during your reign?
Well, if I am to win, I'm going to do the best I can to really represent my country and my district as well, and helping the communities along with it, with my advocacies, which I advocate for mental health, I advocate for fitness, as well as exploitation of children.
Mga ka-district, kailangan ko lahat yun. Mental health, fitness, kailangan niya ako tulungan doon.
Importante.
Okay. Ito, light na lang. At saka last na, baka mamaya magalit na sa akin. Kasi dahil tanong eh. Okay, last na. Light lang. Ano naman yung mga natin? Yung mga hobbies. Ano yung mga...
Well, I love to sing. I've been singing since I was a little girl. I play piano
She has a
and
beautiful
guitar.
voice. A beautiful voice.
Thank you. And I dirt bike, I do fitness, and I also do taekwondo. I'm a 2nd degree black belt. So I have hobbies in everything actually.
I got yet to see.
Ay. Ano, mga ka-district, proud, di ba? Nakaka-proud yung ating magre-represent sa atin, di ba? Sa Miss World, di ba? Kasi si Yannick ba, interviewin pa natin? Pag na.
Hindi na.
Interviewin pa natin.
Okay na, okay.
Yannick, ikaw naman. Kasi yung sport mo, napaka-intriguing. Kasi di ba, dito sa Metro Manila, puro basketball tayo. Di ba? Kwento ka naman about your sport.
Yeah, so I play football. But as of now, since it's the pandemic, medyo mahirap yan. There's no places that are open to really play and kick around. So now it's on hold, but to play football actually, it's blooming now. It's getting better and better. There's now a lot of sponsors, and I'm just waiting for season to start, which is maybe the next 2 months. But yeah, being a football player takes also a lot of discipline, which is strange when I actually watch your practices. It seems harder than you think, but for us, like fitness is definitely key. Keeping your discipline and having like that good routine, sleeping early, having good rest, definitely is key also. But yes, a strong mindset and just keeping yourself fit and mentally prepared and strong.
Yani kasi ngayon, pandemic, kailan ka huling nakapaglaro? When was your last game?
My last game was last October.
November.
No, the
November.
end. Yeah, no, October. The end of October was the last.
No,
Oh, November. Mid-November. Yeah, we had like a really short league, like a two-week league where we all got bubbled,
Yeah.
and which was fun. We were tested literally every 2 days, and my nose I was dying. I was dying from all those swab testing and all, but yeah, but that was the
Which
last
is
time I
good.
played.
Safety
and-
is the most important thing for your players.
But aside from that, they closed all the gyms, so right now everyone is we just do training on our own basically. So our fitness is just jogging outside. It's as good as it gets.
So hindi what do you call this? Yung coach, hindi yung training mo now, hindi siya yung supervised by a coach.
Actually, no. May Zoom sessions live Zoom sessions, but ako nahihirapan kasi ako sa mga Zoom sessions eh. Mas trip ko yung pag one-on-one talaga, as in front of each other. Yeah, kaysa to the screen. Yeah.
Mga kadistri, umuho lang ako pero wala akong naiintindihan.
Sabi ko nga,
Umuho lang ako. Yan, si Yannick kasi. Okay, yan si Yannick kasi Ngayon, yung the best part, di ba? Ipagluluto nila ang ating lucky winner, ang ating lucky kadistri. Okay. First thing, lagyan natin ng oil. Okay. Oil.
Ano yung natin? We'll start with the meat, no?
Yeah, you're going to sear the beef.
How do you know?
Yeah, you can do the meat. I'll do the spices.
Okay. So what we have to do is
Paano ba daw?
sear the
Should be used also. Thank you.
You can do the meat.
No.
Ilalagay natin lahat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cornstarch muna.
Dip in cornstarch.
Can I just use my hand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh.
Hi, sorry.
Kakamay ko na lang.
Yeah.
Okay na yan?
Yeah. Tapos strips natin. Do you cook?
Yes, actually,
We cook a
Yeah.
lot at home.
every day we do our own groceries and then we cook ourselves.
Today's steak night.
What's your favorite nyo na lutuin?
It depends on who's cooking. You
What
made
is
me
my
really. What did you make me?
Salpicao.
Salpicao.
Salpicao would be
He's
one of
really
my
good
favorites.
at that.
Favorite ko yun. Sa bahay nila mga steak night to.
Ayun na lang.
Steak.
But lately we've been cooking a lot of chicken because that's the only thing I can really eat right now.
How do you cook the chicken? Ano yung favorite nyo?
What would you
I season it with my kimchi dressing, and then sometimes we'll do barbecue. But usually when I'm really in preparation with my diet, just pepper, paprika, and a little bit of oil, no salt.
Ayan, yung mga breast niya.
Yes.
Dapat niya, no? This is brisket, no?
Yeah, it's brisket.
Last one.
One! So gusto ko itong mga dish na to kasi pag nalagay mo na lahat, you just have to wait. hintayin mo na lang. Tapos pag napapa-English ako dito sa mga to. Hindi ko sinasabi. Ay! Nako, ni. Nosebleed. Leila, dumudugo eh. Dumudugo. Leila. Saan kayo nag-grocery? Anong favorite kami? Gustav's.
Gustav's, but we've been going to Robinson's a lot. Are we gonna
Sa
meet?
Eastwood, so it's Robinson's and Gustav's.
Yeah.
Eastwood ah. Pag-East 3. Love your own. Yan. So, sinisier lang natin ngayon. Tapos, paano nyo niluluto yung steak? Kasi makikikain tayo mamaya doon sa kanila. Steak yan eh. So, steak night eh. Anong favorite way nyo?
I cook a great steak.
What do you put? Kasi pag magandang cut, di ba? Salt and pepper.
So tonight we're doing ribeye. I've never done ribeye, but usually with strip loin, it depends on how you defrost it actually. So overnight I put it in the fridge, and then later the next day I put it to room temperature. And then we just simply lang, just salt, pepper, and then maybe a little bit of basil sometimes, oil your pan, and then 1 minute per side.
Or rosemary, depending.
That's why yun.
And then I melt butter and we put roasted garlic inside, and that's my sauce.
Sarap nun. Yan. Just have to brown it. Pag na-brown mo na, mga ka-disting, pag na-brown mo na, lalagay mo lang yung water, tapos yung ating mga spices, tapos you just have to wait mga 2 hours to 3 hours. 2 hours to 3 hours, tapos na, ganun kadali.
Tapos
Yung
sobrang
mga-
lambot. Ay,
Oo.
labas.
Natikman na nila yung finished product na.
Sobrang sarap.
Approve.
Sobrang sarap.
Approve daw, approve. Excited na. Ayun, mamaya ako na lang kikwento.
Ikaw, what's your favorite dish to make?
Ano, yung roast beef.
Roast beef.
Roast beef, yeah.
My faves.
Kasi sila Andrew,
Yeah.
mahilig dyan roast beef. Tsaka gusto ko rin yung mahilig ako sa lechon.
Yung
I roast my
niluto ko
own.
dati, no?
Yeah. Kasi malapit lang, nagbebenta sila yung mga dress ng mga pigs. I-English na naman ako.
Hindi ko na ganun lang siya.
For the air fryer is with us.
So kung marunong gumamit nun, air fryer, meron ako, pero I don't know how to...
Actually, ako rin. She wants to teach me, pero
I
hindi
love
pa namin nagagamit isa. But it's easy to use, ha?
Parang pag ako nagluto, sobrang dry.
I think it depends on the bread.
Yeah.
Kasi mine, it's still juicy because there's different levels.
Sige,
Bango.
sige, Michelle, you can put the water na. Water muna.
Water. You do it.
Yan, lagyan natin yung water. Just enough to cover the meat, ah. Just enough to cover the
You
meat.
want to spice it?
The spices now. Onion first or garlic?
Any? So ngayon, ilalagay na ni Michelle yung garlic. Tapos, ilalagay niya yung onion. Cut into quarters. Tapos, salt. Powder. Ganda po ng dish na to eh. Kasi tapon mo lang lahat and forget it. Diba?
Ba't mo lang yung iba, no?
Iinis na naman ako mga ka-district. Yan. Tapos halo lang natin. Tapos pakuluin natin ng mga 2 to 3 hours. Pag ano na siya, yung nagpo-fall apart na siya, pwede na siya. Ngayon, ito natin yung ating yan. So ito yung ating finished product. Yeah. So ito yung ating finished product. Ito, 3 hours natin niluto, mga ka-district. So, who wants to
So yeah,
eat?
ito na lang.
Yeah. Ito na lang.
Thank you. Saan natin lalagay?
Yun, grabe oh.
Tignan nyo, sobrang lambot.
Yun! Grabe, sarap yan.
Yan.
Tapos ngayon, ito yung the best part. Isi-shred nila yung ano, yung meat. Shred, yun, lambot. Lambot ba, Michelle?
Super.
Sa amoy ko yung mga herbs.
How's that? Super soft?
So soft.
Tapos,
Good
mga
job.
ka-district, kailangan mag-prepare ka rin ng chopped onion, chopped cilantro, chopped tomato, tapos kung gusto mo cheese. Pero yung totoong carnitas, ang nilalagay lang is the meat, tapos onion and cilantro, tapos hot sauce. Yun lang.
Yan yung toppings na sobrang simple
Mm.
talaga.
Ngayon mga ka-district, request na natin sa mga bisita natin na tikman nila yung ating beef carnitas. Okay ba?
Tara, tara, tara.
Parang inuuto na tayo. Medyo lang ha?
Planado, planado.
Kaya nga medyo lang. Yeah. Bigyan mo dito. Ready ka na ba, Michelle and Yannick, to try again our... Ha? Linit po eh. Ano na? Tapos mainit na ano. Yeah.
Ikaw na pala.
Mga disclaimer, nagugas sila ng kamay bago kami mag-start.
Importante yan.
So me,
Yeah.
I like a lot of veggies.
A lot of veggies. Uy, Yannick, yung favorite hot sauce natin.
Oo nga, nasan ba yung
Ako,
sugar na
kuha,
natin?
ako, kuha.
Okay.
Gusto ko onion.
Mga ka-district, ito yung favorite hot sauce namin
Sobrang
ngayon.
sarap.
Yan. Hindi yan sponsored ha. Kwentuhan lang po ito. Yan.
Tapos konting cheese.
Grabe. Yan.
Cilantro. Ganda.
Gusto niyo ng konting juice?
Yes.
Magkano? No.
For the umami flavor. no?
Yes. Yun.
Thank you. Let me...
Mine is
Producer, picture mo naman. Remember?
ganda.
Wala pang laman, wala pang.
And we love onions. Onions and garlic on everything.
Dami ko nilagay na garlic.
Essential.
Pinapanood ko kasi ito, Yannick, tsaka Michelle. Pinapanood ko sa, yung mga sa YouTube,
Oo.
di ba? Yung mga Mexico, mga ganun.
Even the vlog sila, tas
Di ba, after they roll it, ididip pa nila dun sa sauce.
yun talaga yung pinakasarap, no?
Oo, di ba?
Right.
Alam mo kaming mga health buff.
We love food.
Okay, yan pala guys.
Jam of chula.
Sa
Wow, wala, ang daming atos ha, yun dapat.
You like it spicy, huh? Okay, let's try it.
First bite! Kailangan may picture yung first bite.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you.
Mga ka-D3, so good daw.
Sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Really.
Pero as a special treat, Yannick and Michelle, pwede ba ako mag-request? Pwede ba na yung carnitas natin, para mabigyan naman natin ng something memorable yung ating lucky winner, pwede ba natin ihatid yung carnitas sa bahay niya?
Okay.
Para pag-photo kayo?
Yes, of course.
Sino kaya yun?
Sarap.
Thank you.
Ano, banggitin ko na ba yung lucky winner? Natanong ko pa lang. Hindi ko sinabi, babanggitin ko na. Yung ating luck, mamaya na nga. Magano muna tayo, bayanihan sa kabuhayan. Michelle and Yannick, yung ating bayanihan sa kabuhayan, we buy from mga vendors from the district, tapos we promote the product.
All local.
Yeah. Itong mga to, natikman ko na to, sobrang okay. Okay, yung first bayanihan natin, si Mika Fabia sa Molave Garden Market. Ngayon, ang product niya is yung baloney. Grabe, sobrang sarap nitong baloney na to. Pinapang breakfast ko to, itong baloney na to. Pinapang breakfast ko. So, Mika, congratulations and more power. Alam ko naman, malakas negosyo mo eh. Kaya alam nila ko yung, yung iyong baloney. Okay. Tapos, yesterday, during PD, may nakilala ko si Jocelyn Caballero. Jocelyn Caballero, nagbebenta naman siya ng mga
Bangus?
Bangus. Yun. So, susubukan natin yung kanyang bangus. Mga kadistri ha, pag kayo yung nanalo nitong mga products na to, ang pakiusap ko lang, paki-post ko and paki-kwento kung how was the experience, di ba? Anyway, yung mga gusto bumili nito, ipopost naman namin yung poster. Tapos nandun yung mga contact details. Congratulations! Okay. Tapos, napakahirap naman ng question for the week natin. Okay, mag-question for the week na tayo. Alam nyo, mag-question for the week. Okay, mag-question for the week tayo. Ang question for the week natin, kwento ko lang yung mechanics. Magtatanong kami ng question, tapos yung first 5 na makakapagbigay ng tamang sagot sa aming live ngayon doon sa comment section ay mananalo ng load. Tapos yung next 5 mananalo ng napakagandang mask. And yung next 2 ay mananalo ng baloney. Tapos next 2 mananalo ng bangus. Alam ko lang dito.
Boneless. Boneless yun eh.
Oh, boneless bangus.
My favorite.
Tapos yung next 2 mananalo ng FMM t-shirt.
So many prizes.
Yeah. And the best part, shipping.
Yun, malaki yun.
Diba? Door to door. Okay, tanong na natin yung ating question for the... You want to do the honors?
Ano ba yung...
Ano ba yung ating question?
I can try. Wait, oh no.
Next
That's
session.
for you.
Ayan. Ang question for the week ay... ano ba yung sinabi natin kanina?
Ano ba yung...
Ano ang sasalihan ni Michelle sa pageant?
Yun pala yan.
Ano? Ulitin ko ha. Ano ang sasalihan ni Michelle na beauty pageant? Ganun ba ito?
Oo.
Baka mamaya ha. Sinayan natin kung may sumasagot na. Good! May nanalo na oh! May nanalo na oh! Wow! Okay. Tapos last...
Banggitin ba natin? Hindi pa.
Hindi, sila ano yan, sila producer.
Okay.
Na-announce natin yan sa page. Dami.
Miss World Philippines. Wish me luck, everyone.
Panalo na! Ano ba? Panalo na! Sigurado!
Laban.
Hindi natin papabayaan yung kadistri natin. Okay. Banggitin naman natin yung nanalo ng Carnitas.
Sino ba yung nanalo? Sino ba yung nanalo?
Urong daw tayo sabi sa producer. Okay. Yung nanalo ng ating beef carnitas ay taga barangay. Nauna. Naabante
Wala
sa
pa.
Ang nanalo ay taga barangay East Camian.
Congratulations!
At siya ay si Janice de la Cruz. Janice, maya-maya lang, kasap ka camera. Dito na ako. Kala mo, daming camera, isa lang naman. Janice, congratulations! Maya-maya lang, dadalhin namin yung iyong beef carnitas. And, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng beef carnitas lang yung dadalhin natin. Ay, Janice nakita mo naman yung instruction na.
Yun yung proseso.
Yun yung proseso. Kung paano nila kinain, yun yung proseso. Okay? Pero hindi lang yun, Janice. Pagpunta namin siya sa bahay mo, dadali namin to. Ang grocery item! Okay, ano ba kasama dito sa grocery items na to?
Pancit Canton.
Yan, pancit canton.
Sardines.
Mhm.
Instant Mami. Yeah.
May coffee.
Tinapay. Cheese whiz, my favorite.
May palaman.
Ano? What else?
Ito, ano ba itong mga dilata na to?
Sardines. Carne. What?
Corned beef.
Corned beef.
Saan yun?
Tam?
Beef loaf. Beef loaf.
Ano to?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Oh, healthy na cereal ba?
Chocolate cookies.
Yeah. And, syempre, yung ating famous 10 kilong bigas. Congratulations, Janice, ha? Kita-kita tayo mamaya. Okay. Yun na mga kadistri ang ating show for the week. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. At may schedule na ba tayo ng Monday? Wala. Monday mga kadistri kasama namin si Michelle tsaka si Yannick, bababa kami sa mag-feeding kami mga kadistri.
Excited na kami.
Hindi ko alam kung sila magluluto or ano.
Pwede rin.
Pwede.
Pwede rin.
Yes. Ipagluluto kayo ni Michelle. Yan. Okay. Ayun nga pala. nakakatawa. Kwento ko lang ha. Sandali na lang. Alam ko, nagmamadali na kayo. Kwento ko lang. Nagkita kami ni Mayor yesterday. Tapos kinuwento ko tong show natin. Tapos medyo tutuwa siya kasi siyempre, tinanong niya ako sabi niya dun sa feeding nyo, sabi niya, ilan yung napapakain nyo per feeding? Di ba 3 times a week tayo? Per feeding, sa kahapon, 350. Sabi ko, konti lang niya, 350. Sabi naman niya, no, that's good ha, kasi konti lang naman kayo, sabi niya. So, she was proud of what we're doing.
Yeah, this time medyo mahirap din, di ba? I can imagine 350 is such a good number.
Tapos natawa siya kasi in-invite ko siya manood ngayon. Sana nanonood ka, Mayor! In-invite ko siya manood, tapos sabi niya, nakakatawa naman yung show mo kasi para kang nasa TV. Sabi niya may sponsor, may guest.
Kompleto.
Yeah. So, magandang hapon po, Mayor. Hope you're watching and hope you enjoy. And mga ka-district, dito na po kami nagtatapos. Kita-kita tayo Monday, kasama sila. Magpi-feeding tayo! Okay. Kita-kita tayo sa Monday. I-announce lang namin sa Facebook kung saan kami pupunta. Maraming salamat po. And last words.
Salamat sa pag-invita, Robert. Thank you for having
Eh,
us.
hindi sila invited. Co-host sila.
Maraming salamat. Please support me on my Miss World journey. I am candidate number 10. You can follow me on Instagram at Michelle Arceo 136.
Mga ka-district, like and share ha. Hindi valid yung panalo pag hindi nag-like and share nung live natin today. Like and share, please. Okay, so kita-kita tayo Monday. Ito po si Robert Pacheco, ang inyong partner sa serbisyo. See you!